Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the Facebook group name generator tool to come up with engaging names for your Facebook group. Right, so if you just want to create a new Facebook group, you can use this Facebook group name generator tool to come up with great Facebook group name ideas. And this is an absolutely free tool to use. I will link the URL of this tool in the description below. The website is called groupnamegenerator.com, but I will link it as well. And once you opened up the website, you have to click on Facebook group name generator if you are not on this page. And this header link will open up this page. As you can see, we also have some other group name generators on this website. And the generator tool uses AI to come up with Facebook group name ideas. And all you have to do is basically describe the group you want to have. So let's say you want to have an affiliate marketing group on Facebook. Then you can have a style, so name style like creative and artistic, or as you can see, modern professional and other style as well. And once you added these two parameters, all you have to do is click on generate names, and the AI will come up with 5 group name ideas related to the topic you have described here. So in this case, affiliate marketing, and as you can see, affiliate allies, commission collective, ClickFluence. So these are really good names. I like them very much. And then you can copy the names if you want, or you can click on generate more to generate more ideas. You can change the description of the group as well. Right, so as I mentioned, this is a completely free tool. It costs us a little money to use the AI. So if you want to contribute to the development of the tool, you can donate here. I will add a buy us a coffee button here, and you can help us develop this tool further. And if you have any other ideas related to this tool, like feature requests, you can also leave a comment in the YouTube description below, and we're gonna read it and use your input as well. But all in all, this is how you can use the Facebook group name generator tool to come up with unique Facebook group name ideas.